Manipur government has initiated strict measures against unauthorized renaming of historical sites and other places by Kuki militants. A zero FIR has been filed against Kuki National Front, in short KNF, for erecting a gate labelled as Kuki National Front Military Council at the foothills of Thangjing Hill. A complaint was lodged by Under Secretary of Manipur Land Resources, Mangolzao Kamai, at Imphal police station yesterday. The complaint mentioned that the name Thangting, including the gate labelled as Kuki National Front Military Council at the foothills of Thangjing Hill range, indicated unauthorized changes. Such act is violation of the provisions of the Manipur Names of Places of Act 2024 and Manipur Ancient Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1976. Moreover, Thangjing Hill, designated as protected site by Art and Culture Department due to its historical significance, falls within Churachandpur to Khopum Protected Forest. The complaint emphasized that KNF MC's actions are seen as criminal conspiracies which aim to foster enmity between different groups. As such, the Undersecretary in his complaint requested for registration of zero FIR at Imphal police station, since Thangjing Hill falls under the jurisdiction of Hanglep police station.